In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix you have been disconnected from the Crew Motorfest servers. So first thing you want to try and check is to see if the servers are down. So you can go here and type in something like is. Now you can type the name of the game. So is the Crew Motor down. So when you type this, you'll get a website like this. These websites will tell you if the game is down. So if you go, for example, to this website, so here it's telling you that it's up. So the servers are up, not that there's nothing wrong. So sometimes it will say there's errors. You'll see like alerts or something. If that's the case, then you'll just have to wait, and they will fix the servers like within hours or within minutes. But if that's not the case, then you need to go to CMD and then right click, then run as administrator. Now over here there's commands you can write to fix your internet. So first you need to type in let me just copy this. So the first command is ipconfig/renew and then press enter. And then second command ipconfig flush DNS. And then the last command you want to write here is ipconfig. Let me just copy this. Okay, this is ipconfig/release. So once you write this down, you can check if it fixes the error. If it doesn't, then what you need to do is go here and type in network reset. Go here and click reset now. So this will reset your network. It won't delete anything important. It will just reset the settings, and it will reset, and hopefully this can fix your issue.